All right, so here we've got a couple more examples, and again, it's just a matter of deciding which of our three formulas matches the picture we're given. And then make sure that, and again, as you're matching them up, make sure that the two that are part of the same lines match the same lines, or go together. So again, the A and the B, or in the formula, if they're on the, or in the picture. So if they're on the same line in the picture, make sure they stay in the same line. And make sure that what's on the outside stays on the outside. So this first example, this first one here is this last one we haven't used. So now for this formula, a couple things you want to make sure of. First of all, the A must be the tangent line. So the A must be the one that does not go inside. So this has to be your A. And then going back to that formula, the B has to be the one on the outside. And the C has to be the one on the inside. And then it just goes A squared, which is x squared, equals B times B plus C. And so that gives you x squared equals 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is just 4. So x equals, so if x squared is 4, you have to ask yourself what squared gives you 4, and the answer to that is 2. Okay, you can also take the square root of that, because the square root, when you square root, that's going to cancel that out, and you just get 2. All right, now this one, let's go ahead, this one. Here's a good part, here would be a good place to start trying these on your own. But this one matches up with this formula. So it's going to be 6 times 6 plus 9 equals 5 times 5 plus x. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 times 5 plus x, or 5 times 5 plus x is 25 plus 5x. 6 times 15 is 90. 25 plus 5x. 90 minus 25 is 65. And 65 divided by 5 is 13. All right. Again, the rest are, so now we're just looking at the same type of problems, just more examples of that. All right, so here, this is going to be the one. It's going to be the A, the B here, C and D here. So it's going to be x times 3 equals 6 times 4. Gives you 3x and 24. X equals 8. And this is the one where it's a tangent and a secant. Remember, the tangent has to be your A, and then the B and the C are the part of the secant. B and C. The B has to be the outside part. So it's going to be 7 squared equals 5 times 5 plus x. 49 equals 25 plus 5x minus 25. So that's 24 divided by 5, and x 24 divided by 5 is going to be 4.8. Okay, oh, sorry. This one is going to be like this one. So it's going to be x times 18 equals 9 times 16. 18x and 9 times 16 is 144. Divide by 18. And you get x equals 8. All right, just a couple more examples of the same. Whoops, I think I might have this one on here twice. Yes, I do. This is the one we just did. So, I guess that was the last example. All right, so your homework is a worksheet, so that should be posted on PowerSchool. And if you're having trouble getting to that, just let me know.